Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I will explain to you what is Elementor, what is the need of using Elementor, and also how to install it on your WordPress website. So let's get started. Elementor is basically a page builder for WordPress. Now, what a page builder is that it is basically a drag and drop interface for designing a page. It is really useful for designing a beautiful website quickly without even having a knowledge on HTML, CSS or JavaScript. WordPress by default has an editor. Earlier it had the classic editor. Now it has the Gutenberg editor, which has a lot of features that can help you add images and even add custom blocks. But using a page builder takes the process of designing a page to the next level. So installing Elementor page builder on your WordPress website can help you create beautiful pages for your website. Elementor has become pretty popular because of a lot of advantages that it has. One of the main advantages of Elementor is its ease of use. Even a beginner can design easily. With all the features of Elementor, it has limitless design possibilities. It has a lot of widgets pre-designed which can be just dragged and dropped to the page, and then you can just go ahead and change the contents of the widgets. It also has a lot of awesome templates for your pages, which makes the task of designing much easier even for someone who is not a designer. The user interface of Elementor is simple and easy to get the hang of it. If you just want to get started, there is a free version of Elementor with enough features to create a great design. There are also paid plans for Elementor, and here we can see the 3 paid plans of Elementor. One is for $49 a year for one website, and then we have $99 per year for 3 websites. And then we have the expert plan for $199 per year for 1000 websites. Elementor is compatible with almost all WordPress themes, so you don't have to worry about installing a specific theme just for Elementor page builder. For using Elementor, you first need to install Elementor page builder on your WordPress website. There are 2 ways to install Elementor. The first way is to go to the elementor.com website and download it from the website. Then go to the dashboard of your WordPress website and then click on plugins and then click on add new and then click on upload and upload the zip file. The second way is to search for the Elementor page builder in plugins in WordPress. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.